Here, I'll demonstrate how to importing lists from Word into Excel can add up all the numbers, then slice and dice them as we please. Filter them, sort them, and arrange them nicely. Such a table where we can perform all types of items from a list in Excel which you created in Word now. What we have is sort of an advertisement, ad hoc budget where I just entered items as they happened in this text. But I wish to the first step is to import them into Excel, which we really want to do in order for us to may divide the text from the numbers. To do is to arrange these pieces in Word. And we accomplish it by visiting the Click the Home tab, then A to Z. But it's going to organize many things and perhaps not everything in our Word is what we want. Document sorted, so I'll take charge. C to copy this into a new document. Document now available for use without being concerned about causing any damage else up. So we're not even required to choose the Home tab A to Z text sorting paragraphs by type switching to because we have numbers. Text to number, then climbing perfectly nice. Okay, and we're all set to go. 4,000, 560, 75, 100, 175, and 1050. Now, we can either replicate this exactly or let's just choose the information we want. Control-C, click over here and paste that into Excel. Or if the formatting is not what you want, instead of pressing Control-V, homepage, simply click the drop-down arrow. There, match destination formatting. The next action that we want to take is 2 columns of text. Thus with everything then text to selected, go to a data columns to the right, and because we want to distinguish the you might believe the numbers and text are okay. Well, I can delimit with a space. Despite that, there are spaces following each automobile, and if your list was extremely lengthy, additionally, you might have extra room. Thus, instead of dividing using a delimiter, what we're going to do is use this list set width, and what happens after that, you can see that we have a small amount of this column right here could be moved. Even though we have the option to leave, it is about to separate there. The left side bullet points from everything else now listed is added. Easily access one more by clicking this, and we can sort of drag it with a click to the freedom to go where we like. Divide that nonetheless. Take note that the final number 1050 is chopped in half. But that's not what we sorted since that's what we desire. All information in Word first, then we may move ahead. Shut this window, then choose the initial group of numbers to be used. Do selecting the final portion of everything. The numbers, the larger numbers at hand to separate them. So I'll strike cancel, simply select all of the numbers by going here. Because once the data text is divided, we can columns fixed width. After right-clicking, we proceed there and then. So let's delete this bullet's little column so that we can click there, please. In black, therefore it has been chosen and clicked. Skip the import of columns next. We can click finish and there we have it for that one. Choose the lowest one and click that person. Text to fixed width columns after that. It's chosen, it currently being ideal, then carried out not click the first column import to use them. Use the upper columns. However, we are ready to move forward. So hit finish and, at times, we are almost there. As a result of the formatting, the text or the numbers can occasionally be off. And what you might want to do after that then, choose this and head over to the right this small eraser and the Home tab to this page and select Clear Format. Try out if you're still having issues. The fantastic cleaning capability, it will erase all characters that aren't readable from text. And it can resolve a few problems that are quite difficult to see sometimes, and in the event that occurred to you, we could stoop it down then collect all the numbers. Alt-TSV enter and Ctrl-C to copy it. Modify everything that followed a formula into a hard-coded value. But notice that there is now text here, of course, so that we may go here. Rather than numbers after conversion to a number, we have a numbers list in this instance. I did not have to perform all of it, although occasionally you must complete it. So I decided to create. I'm confident I demonstrated. But the final step is to modify this a little bit now. Table. So we raise it and give it a title amount and a goal are followed by when we have something chosen it. Press Ctrl-T. This text has headers in my table. Alright, let's move on to table design tool route. Here, click that person to input a sum. Take that out and add some formatting here. Residence $sign, so there we are, and from this bullet, you move in that manner. Pointing right here to this list, workable list there in Excel.